done division in class 1, 2, 3 and now you are in class 4. So this division is not new for you, okay? You know this term very well. So what you have done in class 3, just now we will recall it. You have divided the 3-digit number and 4-digit number by 1 or 2-digit number. So for example, I am taking here 437 divided by 3. Okay? Or it will be given like that. Divide 437 by 3. So we can write it like that, 437, this is the division sign and then 3. Okay? Now we have to work for it. First of all, we will arrange the number. How we will arrange the number, you see? We will write 437, then we will draw like this and we will write 3 here. Okay? And then we will give the space to write something here. Okay? Now for division, what we will do here, we have to recall the multiplication table of 3, which is because we have to divide by 3 now. So we have to recall the multiplication table of 3. Now one interesting fact, children, you will observe that in addition, subtraction, multiplication, all time we used to start with ones place digit, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000 and so on. But in division, we will start dividing the number which is in higher place value. First we will start with 10,000, then 1,000, then 100, then tens, then ones. Okay? We are starting it from a left hand side. Okay? Not from the right hand side. So first of all, we have to recall the multiplication table of 3 and we will choose the digit which is in higher place value, that is here it is 100. So we will go for a 100. Okay? In the 100 place, what is the digit there? 4. We have to divide 4 by 3. Now you have to recall the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Oh my god, 6 is greater than 4. So I will go for 1 only. 1 times only we will go. Okay, 3 ones are. Not we will go for 2. So 3 ones are, we will write here 1. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Now we will subtract it from here. 400 minus 300 is equal to 100. So we got a remainder here 100. After that we will go for tens. Okay, we will start dividing tens. So we will pull it down this number which is in tens place. We will call this number, come here, we have to divide now tens. Okay, so I am bringing this 3 down. Now we are having 13 tens. We are having 13 tens. Okay. Now again you recall the table of 3 and you will recall till there when you will get the number either equal to 30 or greater than 30. So you will go like this, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 15 is greater than 13. So I will go for 3 4 only. Okay. 3 fours are 12, which will be less. If you will use this pattern, you will never make mistake. Otherwise, children used to do silly mistake. They will go like this. Okay, we have to bring the small number here now. So 3 threes are 9 only will do here. 9 is smaller than 13. But there is one more number 12 which is also smaller than 13. We will go for 3 fours are 12. So you have to recall the table till then when you are getting the number which is greater than or equal to 30. Okay. Then we will divide like this. 3 fours are 12. Now we will subtract here. What is the remainder? 1. Now we will divide the number which is in ones place. So we have to pull it down. This 7 we have to pull it down. Now here 7 will be here. Okay, 17. Now we have to divide 17 ones. Again you recall the table. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 18 is greater than 17, so we will go for 5 times only. 3 5s are 15. Now we will subtract, we will get the 2, the number which is smaller than 3. So we are getting the number which is smaller than 3. Now you remember some terms also we used to give to these number, na? Some name we used to give to these number. What we used to call this number which we are dividing? We used to call it dividend. Okay? This is known as divisor. This is known as quotient. And this is known as remainder. Now children, we are calling this number dividend. What is this number? The number which is being divided, okay? The number which we are dividing, okay? That are known as dividend, okay? And the number by which we are dividing, that is known as divisor. This number we are dividing by 3 only now. So 3 is divisor here. And what the answer will come, okay? After dividing, what we will get, that is known as quotient. After dividing, we will get 145. That is only quotient. And the number which is left over after division, if it is not completely divided, then the number left over, that leftover number is known as remainder. And remainder will be always smaller than divisor. Never it will be equal to divisor, never it will greater than divisor. So it will always smaller than divisor. So now same way we can do division of 4 or 5 digit number by 1 digit number or by 2 digit number. So I am not showing here by 1 digit number, I will show you to divide by 2 digit number. I am taking one example here. Before children, there is a question in our mind whether we have divided here, is it right or wrong? I want to check my answer. My division is right or wrong? Okay, my calculation, maybe I had made mistake. So for checking, for verifying the answer, there is one rule. There is a rule, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So you learn this rule by heart to verify your answer. Now you know the name of the terms of the number now, what the terms we use to call this number. This is known as divisor, this is known as dividend, quotient and then remainder. Okay. So here is the formula or whatever we can say. Verify. For verify what we use to formula, dividend, divisor into quotient plus remainder will be equal to dividend. So like that we can verify our answer, maybe we have done the mistake or not. What is the divisor here? 3. Write here 3. What is the quotient there? 145. And what is the remainder over here? 2. We have to add 2 here. Now we will work for it, okay? First you multiply 3 into 145. 3 5s are 15, 1 you carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13, again 1 you carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4, 435. After multiplying 3 and 145, we get 435. Then we will add 2 here. So 435 plus 2 will be 437. And this number is equal to what? Dividend now. So the formula is right. So we can write 3 into 145 plus 2 is equal to 437. That is fitting in this formula. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So our calculation is right. So you have to divide and you have to check the answer also. Like that only you will check the answer. Now here is one example of dividing number by 2-digit number. One 1,296 divide by 12. 12 is 2-digit number, so we have to divide by 12. Again division, we are starting from a higher place value, so we will start from here only. First we will see a 1000 place, it is 1. We will take together 100 place also, we will divide 100 plus, that is 1200. Okay? Because in 1000 place there is 1 which is less than 12. So I will take together 100 place only. So I will divide 1200 by 12. So 12 ones are 12. Now what will come here after subtracting? 0. Next I will divide the number which is in tens place. So I will call this tens place number down. I am having how many tens? 9 tens. And 9 is smaller than 12. We can't able to divide 9 by 12. Never we can divide a smaller number by bigger number. Okay? Never we can divide a smaller number by the larger number. So, we will divide the ones. Okay? I will call this ones also down. But when we are calling this 1 down, I will put here 0. You remember the rule, because one time we can call one guest only. Okay? Or one doctor. He has done nothing, so I will put here 0. After putting 0 only I can call another one. Without 0 I can't call another one. So I have to put 0 first here. That means 12 zeros are 0. I have to do something here. Or you show one more step, I will show you. 12 zeros are 0. I have divided this. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Now I will call this 6 down. Now 96 I have to divide by 12. And you will call the table of 12. It will comes in a 8 times. 12 8s are 96, and then there will be no remainder. So here quotient is 108, divisor is 12, dividend is 1296 and remainder is 0. So we will verify our answer. How we will verify? Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to 1296. Is it coming or not? You can see here 12 8s are 96, 9 you will carry, 12 0 0, then 9, what you have carried 0 plus 9, that will be 9, then 12 was a 12, that is 0. So our answer is right. We have not done any calculation mistake. Thank you children.